The ledge is a residence designed based on a dream sequence. The curiosity that leads someone to walk to the edge of a cliff or the childlike urge to jump from the top of a precipice can be attributed to the human desire to move forward into the clouds, even after the mountain ends. The brief was very simple: a two-bedroom vacation home in a hill station in Kerala, India. Therefore, the building was designed as a shard that seems to protrude like an extension of the mountain into the air. Camouflaged within the natural landscape, the roof and external walls are made from treated Casuarina poles, a fast-growing local tree whose wood is considered waste and is typically used only for scaffolding and fencing, reducing the amount of timber and concrete used. With proper treatment, the lifespan of these materials can be extended, allowing them to be used extensively in permanent constructions. The entrance to the house is concealed and opens up to a large living space overlooking the valley, which extends into an open kitchen and dining area near the central courtyard. The house was designed by the Wallmakers firm, led by award-winning architect Vinu Daniel. Known for their creative use of mud and recycled materials as the primary components of their projects, the firm's ethos is rooted in the exploration of sustainable architectural practices through a combination of traditional techniques, eco-friendly material innovations, and impeccable detailing. The discovery of large quantities of small loose stones during the excavation process for the foundation led to an improvisation in the shobri wall, shuttered debris wall. These stones were used in the walls by inserting them into the debris mix in alternating bands. Discarded wood pieces were assembled together to form the flooring of the house. Most of the openings were designed in glass to retain heat and take in the splendid views of the valley. All the materials for its construction were sourced within a 5-kilometer radius. Both bedrooms were strategically positioned to offer maximum views of the valley on 2 different floors. Here, the importance of camouflage architecture is emphasized. Since every building is a blot on any natural landscape, the architects at Wallmakers tried to camouflage it in the best possible way within the setting it develops. However, the essence of this house still revolves around creating a living space that offers the best of both worlds, living inside a mountain and on a ledge up in the clouds.